Good morning. Welcome to Living Simple with Dimp. It's 5 a.m., a little before daylight. I hear that whippoorwill. Living simple, the sound of a southern whippoorwill in the historical Alabama Black Belt.